Hello, and welcome to this HelloID provisioning product release video for May 2022. HelloID provisioning is a 100% born in the cloud, easy to configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management in the network by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the May 2022 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the May 2022 release. We have 4 new items in this release. First, force update permission definition. The ability to force the update on all of a specific permission definition for all persons. This feature will work the same way as the account and is specially designed for the permission. So, if you have any change in the source data or mapping, you now also have the ability to force this to be updated in the permissions, having a new grant or revoke as the result for the current permission. Second, escape slash when updating an AD user. From the current built-in version of the Active Directory target system within HelloID, you couldn't perform a proper update out in the AD account in case the distinguished name or OU as part of the distinguished name contained a slash. In this release, a fix for this issue has been implemented in the built-in target connector. Third, remove invalid date message for birth date when empty. With this new feature, we made a minor change to the person information screen where previously the default invalid date message was shown. This could be caused by the birth date not being part of your mapping, or if a person didn't have their birth date specified within the source data. From now on, you can clear the invalid date message by leaving this empty. And last, improved Vault import logging. Some minor improvements to the Vault import logging have been made in this release. Let's show you how these new features work in detail. Before we start with the update permission definition, we also have some other improvements being introduced in this release. As you can see here in the upper right corner, a new kind of notification center has been introduced which will contain some basic information about a schedule being started soon, or when it has already been started, or even when a schedule is completed. This way, we can make more information available about the background processes that are being executed within HelloID. The information shown in this screen is based on local browser storage and can be configured by setting one of the following settings: the Open on New Notification toggle and the Retain Notification for a specific amount of time. Furthermore, we did some improvements on the source import. So in case you started an import, you can see the other buttons of a source are not able to start a process until the import of this system is completed. Once it's running and we navigate to the General tab, you will also notice that a new banner is being shown about the state of the source system. In this case, it was importing or creating a snapshot. We also did a minor improvement on the snapshot page itself. This is indicated by a yellow cross called cancellation state, where the cancellation state is shown in a visible way containing an icon or as a new state label on a snapshot. Let's continue with the feature of the update permission definition, which is located underneath the configuration section of a PowerShell source. When you go to the configuration and navigate to the permission section, you will find a new button, this yellow button over here, which is being introduced to force the update on a specific permission set of the current system. A note on this is that once the process is started, a warning shows. The reason we give this warning is because it can take a long time to complete, and within this information, we will try to inform you about how many entitlements will be updated, and also inform you about the process to complete, which can take a long time from this point. Another remark is that once you've confirmed with a confirmation button, a new execution on the same action cannot be triggered until the first one has finished completely. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.